diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder. Today I'm stopping in to share a 5-minute quick tip on how to set round drills straight using no extra tools other than your drill pen, your boat, and your drills. Now, I don't know about you, but I sometimes find round drills even more challenging to set straight than square drills. And I think when round drills are crooked, it actually shows even more than crooked square drills. So here are a couple little tips you might try as you're working with your round drills. First up, instead of trying to place them in long lines that are straight, I sometimes try placing my round drills in groups of 4. So I'll show you an example up here. So I might try placing drills in a group of 4 that's roughly inside a square. Now it's much easier to place those 4 drills in the right place than it would be to do a long line of this color. Now when I expand outward from this section, all I'm going to continue to do is visualize those groups of 4 as I go along. So I'm going to come in over here, and now I can see a group of 4 that lives here, and a group of 4 that lives there. And that is much easier to keep track of, like I said, than a long line of one color where you have to be really careful to lay those straight. If I were to place a drill up here, I'm going to place that drill relative to the other 3 that are already there. So that way I can get that drill relatively straight without having to think about creating a long straight line. A long straight line is really hard to do. And of course, you can always find straightening tools like the one I have on the end of my pen here on AliExpress. And it can be helpful if your glue is not too springy to just come in with that tool and sort of straighten everything up as you go. When you buy rulers for round drills, they come in all kinds of different sizes, and I find it to be kind of a pain to figure out what size I'm working with. So that little trick of placing my drills in groups of 4s has really helped me not get perfect placement, but really to improve my placement on round drills because it's something that I really struggle with. So I hope that quick tip helps you. I'll be back here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder with many more quick tips for you. I hope you have a fantastic week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.